Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm CSJAS. How are you all? I hope you all are preparing for your exams and I hope you all are well, right? So I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes. I hope all of you know, still students don't know this. So I host free special live classes of JIGL and company law daily at 7 p.m. on unacademy. These classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. So I can tell you that we have completed 5 chapters of GIGL. So I'm here to announce another 2 special live classes for today and tomorrow, that is 1st and 2nd March, again sharp at 7 p.m. So we are going to start the chapter number 5 of company law, which is charges. So today we will discuss the topic of all about pledge, hypothecation and mortgages. So as you all know that when charge topic starts, the first topic is introduction, pledge, hypothecation and mortgage. So I teach it like that, and I also follow the study material while teaching, so it will be very much relatable if you have the study material and if you avail my free classes. And tomorrow I will be telling all about kinds of charges. So if you're somebody, you have never visited my class, never been to it, I would highly request you, because I teach thoroughly throughout the class and I do conduct polls, that is question and answer session with the students, which students really enjoy. Both classes class links will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on it and click notify me so that before the class begins, you get notified. And if you're someone attending my classes, then do share this video with your friends as well so that they can also attend my class, because as you all know, my classes are totally free of cost, and if you are liking my classes, I'm sure they would also like. So feel free to share this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Other than that, if you're looking for unacademy subscriptions, the links to the CS batches are also in the description box below. Make sure you click on them, and in case you make plans for taking unacademy subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So I'm looking forward to see you all today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.